We begin with Dan Rascon, who has a live look at how the Salt Lake County Sheriff will be enforcing the new county health order that went into effect today. Dan?
Yeah, the sheriff told me that she's taken this order very seriously and she plans to enforce it. But this is not about going out and arresting people. The Salt Lake City Police telling me the same thing. But at the same time, for those people who refuse to comply and continuously break it, they could be arrested.
Fresh air, break from work.
A busy day at Liberty Park in Salt Lake,
It feels amazing to get out
where people are trying to get a break from isolation.
just for my own sanity.
This is one of the few things residents of Salt Lake County are able to do as a new county-wide health order goes into place today. The order officially shuts down businesses like hair salons, spas, tattoo shops, theaters, gyms, and playgrounds. People are also not allowed to congregate in groups and are to be practicing social distancing. Much of what has already been in place, but here's the difference.
We will be enforcing the order.
Police now have the power to arrest you if you don't follow the order.
That's what this order is about, saving lives.
But Salt Lake County Sheriff Rosie Rivera says arresting people is the last thing they want to do.
We are going to ask kindly for people to comply. We are going to give warnings. We're going to disperse groups.
Salt Lake City Police agree. This order is not about handing out citations and throwing people in jail.
No, we're not going to just throw handcuffs on you if we drive by a park and see you swinging on a swing set.
Instead, police say this is about working together as a community to put an end to the spread of this virus.
Our job is to keep the peace. In a situation like this, we want to make sure that as a community, we're working together to solve a big issue that we're facing.
But we are taking it serious. This is an order that we have to follow.
Now, the sheriff telling me that they're not bringing in more officers or anything like that to patrol the streets. Officers will be doing their regular duties, and if they find people disobeying that order, then they'll go up and approach them, that kind of an approach. But at the same time, for those, again, that do disobey continuously, they could be slapped with a Class B misdemeanor. Back to you guys in the studio.
All right, Dan, thank you. And in keeping with Salt Lake County's public health order, the Murray School District announced it's now closing all playgrounds, courts, and fields on district property. And they're asking residents to call the district office if they spot any games or gatherings that are out of compliance.